guys, it's Crystal from Budget by the Bag. I hope each and every one of you are doing well today. I want to talk a little bit about what's been new this week. I am on week 4 of my Invisalign, which is going fairly smoothly. That means on Monday I go to week 5, and then I'll have 15 more weeks to see a transformation in my mouth, my teeth. So I'm excited about that. I want to say thank you for those who watched my struggle video. If you haven't, I'll leave a link to it in the cards. In today's video, we are going to cash stuff my sinking funds. So let's get the money and let's count it out. 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 93, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So $440 for this go around. Alright guys, so we are in my blue binder. Jacob is the first envelope to get stuffed, and it's $10. So Jacob has 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 25, 30. This week, Jacob's band started a fundraiser. It's one of those text ones, you know, text and donate. They're trying to raise, I think, $30,000 so that everybody can participate in all the activities throughout the year and also have private lessons. Hubby is getting 10. Oh, and he made straight A's. He got his first report card. Our district is late in regards to starting the school year, so that's why he just got his first one. Hubby has 1, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. My husband's birthday is coming up in November. I asked him, what do you want, you know, for your birthday? And what does he tell me? Nothing. I don't know what to do. I want to get him something. I just don't know what to get him. But his birthday is coming up in November, and I've got to figure out something, that's for sure. Crystal is getting 50 this time around. So Crystal has 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300 in the bank. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,600, 20, 40, 50. I had to take some money out of here for my birthday that passed on the 14th. Family is getting $10. And it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100 for family. And then we can talk about my dividend tracker. So I looked up just a minute ago how much I received the month of October, which was $2.19. The previous month I had $1.20. The reason for the change is because I bought some O stocks. And I'm excited because I heard very good things about that stock. So year to date, and I've only been investing since December, is $9.75. So next year, I hope to definitely improve on my dividend, the dividends that I receive for investing. But right now, my short-term goal is to get $5 a month worth of dividends. So I've got about $2.81 left to achieve that goal. Okay, car's getting 50, so 2 20s and a 10. I've got to buy my stickers, I believe. So I'll be doing that on my credit card, I think this coming up week. So car has 1, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 50, 60. So 360 in car. Cushion is next, and it's getting $10. cushion has 1, 2, 300 in the bank, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 400, 5, 10, 15, 20. So 420 in cushion. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 94, 5, 10, 15, 20. I think I took some out of cushion. I got to figure out what that was for. Oh well. Eating out is going to get a 20. And it has 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. I'll be doing a cash unstuffing, I think, next week. And then my home binder cash stuffing. Education is getting $100. It's this $100 placeholder. And it now has 1, 2, 3, 4,000, 100, 200. $4,200 in education. Then we have electronics, and it's getting a 5. Yeah. And it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15. So 115 electronics. As you saw, fun was going to be the next envelope that we're going to cash stuff. I want to put in my sticker for the nail that we are allocating the money off of, and that is done. So 15 for fun. And it has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100 and fun. Let's see here. This is going to be gifts, and it's getting 15. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65 in gifts. Health is getting 10 this time around. This is for like getting a massage, gym clothes, anything to help improve my health. So 10, 15, 20, 25 and health. I'm definitely going to be focusing on my health in 2023 and of course towards the end of this year. I've started doing like a high protein kind of diet. Well, I shouldn't say diet. I'm trying to do a lifestyle change. I tried the Sola, like low carb bread, which is pretty good. So I'm just doing little changes here and there so I can try to improve my lifestyle versus considering it as a diet. Okay, now we're into holidays and it's getting 20. I'll put that in here, and then we're going to color in the challenge. Each heart represents $10. You get 3 on a sheet on the forthecreator.com in my shop. So I have 1, 200 in bank, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. So 390. I will be taking some money out in the next week or two so I can start looking at buying the gifts I need for different people. Parents is getting 15. Okay, parents has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 105. My mom's turning 60 in May, so I'm going to save up for her birthday. Shopping is getting 45. I think I might need some change now that I'm looking at what's left. Okay, shopping has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 10, 15. So 115 in shopping. I think I mentioned I will be doing a cash on stuffing vacation, and it's getting 30. I'm going to change some of my category names, such as this one, because I feel like vacation to me is like long weeks of vacation, and I want to really call it trips, because sometimes we go on a weekend trip, such as at the end of October we're going to be going to Detroit. So you know, what if I need money for that? Then I'll have it out of this envelope. And I guess in consideration, vacation can be a small trip. I just think of it as a long-term thing, like, you know, 5-7 days or whatnot. Anyways, I'm babbling. Vacation 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 160, and vacation. And I'm so excited because my friend Kathy at Kathy's Cash and Coin sent me a $1 C note. I have been trying so hard to find these, and I appreciate you, Kathy, for doing that. And I'm also going to put my $2 note that she gave me as well in here. It's for C notes, star notes, and now $2 bills. So I have $3 going into this, and I'm so excited because I was like worried I wasn't going to find any. But yeah, I'm excited. Thank you very much, Kathy, and we are done with this binder. Okay, we're in my business binder, and equipment is getting $5. And it has 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70 in equipment. Okay, come on. Next is expenses, and it's getting $5. I think for November I have the amount going up some because I do have to pay for the subscription that I use for editing my video. Expenses now has 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 in expenses. Giveaway is next, or giveaways. And I'm doing $10 this time around. I am using my $5 ballerina savings challenge with the stickers. So let me pull out 2 of them. That represents $5. Probably gonna get my nails done one more time because my sister's milestone birthday is happening in a couple weeks, and actually in 3 weeks. So I'll probably redo them in about a week or 2. So you'll have to suffer through that. Okay, giveaways now has 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. This is what it looks like. Okay. Alrighty, and the last envelope to get stuff, supplies. Don't think I need anything just yet, but you never know. Just keeping it going. So 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 60 in supplies. Thanks again for watching. I hope y'all have a great week. Tuesday I will be uploading my advice video for the last part of our different budgeting journeys, and I hope that you will watch every one of those channels. I actually need to catch up, but I will definitely be doing that. All right guys, bye.